You got any suggestions somewhere else that's better?
Huh?
What about those fish?
Yeah. We got some skipjack too.
Need some heavy weights.
There ain't no fucking current.
There is one that's running down. Remember, that's a slide. It's still running down low. Right about in the middle of this is a wall. It slides down about the end of them rocks. That's all blocked off.
Yeah, we're gonna catch no fish. Yeah, this is their third one since we got here.
It's all drum.
Yeah. Well, that's 3 in the last 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I see where he's throwing out.
You might as well catch.
Right there in the middle.